Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture, which I'm going to use settings as an example. And once it's open, all you need to do is hold the power key and volume down, both keys at the same time. It will give you this animation, and if you're doing this for the first time, it will also give you a quick guide. So you have tap to make a scrollable screenshot. Now I did pick settings specifically for this purpose, so let's just disregard it for now. So that is how it would normally look like. After a second it just fades away, and that is how you'd capture it normally. But if we hold it once more and you have actually scrollable content, you can tap on scroll, and this will allow you to scroll. Now it scrolls automatically by itself, but you can tap on it to stop it from scrolling, and this will in turn basically cut it right here. So you will have basically from the top, whatever below, however far down it scrolled down, and you can also grab it yourself and scroll down further if you wanted to, if for instance the automatic scroll is too slow for you. And from there, once you've finished and you're as far down as you want it to be, click on done. It will start processing it and then save it automatically. Got it, and there we go. As you can see, this is the image that I have captured. So if I quit it, the image can be found in the photo gallery. Let's go to albums, screenshots, and there we go. So there is the scrollable one, and then there's the normal one. And that is how you would capture a screenshot. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.